Hello everyone, my name is Gary Reyes, a student in this digital generation. I am excited to share my reflection on the topics we discuss in empowerment technologies, including online platforms, HTML, cybercrime, and HTML coding. In our empowerment technology subject, we discuss different topics such as online platforms, HTML, cybercrimes, and HTML coding. This topic helped me understand how technology works and how it affects our daily lives as students in the digital generation. And now, let's start in our discussion. First, learning about online platforms made me realize that they are not only for entertaining but also for communication, learning, and sharing ideas. I became more aware of how I use social media and other online tools, and I learned that I should use them wisely and responsibly. Second, the lesson about HTML and HTML coding helped me understand how websites are created. At first, it was challenging to learn the codes and tags, but as I continued practicing, I became more interested, confident. It made me feel proud that I can create simple web page and inspired me to improve my skills even more. Another important topic is cybercrime. This opened my eyes to the different dangers we can face online such as scam, hacking, and identity theft. Because of this, I learned to be more careful, especially in protecting my personal information and thinking before clicking or sharing anything online. Overall, these topics help me gain knowledge, skills, and awareness in using technology. I realized that technology is very powerful and it is our responsibility to use it properly and in a positive way. Lastly, I would like to express my sincerely appreciation to our empowerment technology teacher for guiding us and helping understand this lesson clearly. Thank you for patience, efforts, and dedication in teaching us. Because of you, we are able to learn valuable skills and knowledge that we can use in our daily lives and in the future.